These continuous pasteurizers consist of steam-jacketed kettle or tank equipped with steam coil in which the food may be placed and heated to the desired temperature for a required length of time. The disadvantages of this type is local overheating or small portion may be occur. Moreover, food is exposed to oxidation during the process. Prolonged heating causes injury or color, flavor, and nutrients of the product. Canning. Canning is the method of food preservation in which food contained in a permanently sealed container is subjected to an elevated temperature for a definite period of time and then cooled. The storage organisms present are destroyed by heat and a hermetic seal of the container that might have survived the rigor of processing and unable grow because of favorable conditions prevailing inside the container. In special canning techniques, heating of food is done before filling it into pre-sterilized container. The traditional method of canning involves several distinct into operation. Preparation of raw material. All raw material requires some sort of preparation to take them fit the human consumption. The food processor ensure that these are properly handled, sorted, and inedible part removed through peeling, pitting, coring, and steaming, trimming, shilling, dressing, etc. The size is reduced to suit the customer demand, market requirement, and heat processing parameters. Fruit and vegetable are washed normally, placed, and seed or other inedible parts removed. Other are sealed or decided. Animals are slaughtered, bleed, skinned, and cresses cut into the small pieces. Birds are slaughtered, defeathered, and elevation. Fish is eliscated and cut into small pieces or packed whole. Some fruits and most vegetables are balanced in inactivate food enzymes system. They may be treated with suitable or other chemicals and sulfur dioxide. No such temperature is required for beef or mutton. The bird may be passed over a flame or sign of the tiny hair and remain after removal of feathers. Filling. The can of glass or jar are normally washed by subjecting them to steam jet prior to filling. This process ensures removal of contaminants. Filling is done manually or by automated machine. All home products are filled into the container manually, while the industry employ both manually and automated filling techniques depending upon the raw material and grade of product. Fancy grade and still filled manually, while automated machines are employed for some fruit and vegetables. Liquid products like milk, carbonated beverages, fruit and juices, and squashes are invariably filled by automatic machine in the industry. Syrup and brining. The spaces in between the size of food are filled by a suitable liquid or facilitated further processing. In case of fruit, sugar syrup is used, while in vegetable and meat, brine is added. Fish is usually canned in the brine and oil or tomato sauces. Apart from facilitating heat transfer during the process, this liquid improves the taste of canned product and fill up the inner space between the pieces, driving and air out. It can also be used as a carrier of additives such as the color and flavor. The syrup or brine is filled in the container at the temperature of 79 to 82 degrees centigrade. Because the load of liquid helps to drive out some of the interrupt air. Suitable head space 0.3 and 0.5 centimeter is left in the can or jar or such as when the usually Finally, packaging. This space will help in further processing. The syrup or brine is usually filled in the can or jar by automated machine, while it can be done manually at home.